How to fix cell phone echo problem. So if you want to fix the cell phone echo problem, then actually there are many reasons for echo problems. Since we can't actually say what is causing the echo problem, so we cannot solve this problem by adopting any specific method. We need to apply multiple steps. So let's get started. The first fix is to reboot your phone. You just need to simply tap or press and hold on to that power button, and here you will have restart or reboot option. Simply go with reboot, and after that check if your problem is fixed. But if that doesn't, then go with the next method, which is check whether echo is on headphone or in handset. And even after that, if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can go with the step 3, which is check your noise cancellation settings. So you can simply go with the settings. Under settings, you can go with search, and you can search for noise cancellation. If you have the noise cancellation option, you can make sure that if it is turned on, because if it is turned on, then you will have the echo problem. And if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can go with the step 4, which is you can remove your back cover and try that. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then the 5th step or the last step is to try the factory reset. You can go with your settings and you can factory reset your device, or if you don't want a factory reset, then you can update your software. You can scroll down and then you can simply go with the system, and if you have any system updates, then you can simply go with the update and update your system. Once you update it, your problem might be fixed. So these were the fixes on your cell phone echo problem, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.